we're making a twice-baked aglio olio spaghetti squash. You take the sharpest knife you have and cut in almost in a stabbing, but a controlled stabbing motion, guys. Put a point in first and then try and shimmy down one side. The squash will start to crack. And then almost like an avocado, you twist. Non-aerosol EVOO. Spray the cut squash. We're now going to season with salt and pepper. Flip them. We want the edges to get brown and the squash to get tender. We don't want to collapse them, but when we put them in the oven, we put them cut side down. If these two start to get too dark in the front, take a look at them after half an hour and turn the pan. That's all. 1 clove for each individual portion of the spaghetti squash. And we're going to add that garlic to about half to 3/4 of a cup. I mean, I don't measure it. I just pour about half an inch of olive oil into a pot. And I have this over the smallest, teeniest, tiniest flame. Now we're going to add either Calabrian chili paste, which I actually think has a little milder effect than adding a chili flake, which I always have right here on the counter. Crushed red chili. Everybody has this. I would start with a full teaspoon for 4 portions if you're using that. This, I'd say, a scant tablespoon. No joke, because this is milder than that. And we're just gonna let that hang out. See how this squash is lightly brown on one side and you see it's starting to collapse? That's when you know the spaghetti's done, basically. This is spaghetti squash, of course. I turned this off while this was roasting. Once I saw the garlic had become translucent and kind of turned into mush at the bottom there, okay? So now we're going to take that garlic and oil sauce and put it into each boat. Okay. Now you need a different tool. A fork. And a little thin cloth just to help you hold it. And we're going to shred the squash. So now in each one, we're going to toss these yet again with a little parsley. Okay? And some parm. A little sprinkle of parm cheese. So we need the fork back. Hello. To mix that in and combine it, we take a little bit of mild melting cheese, mozzarella, like a part skim, low moisture, or provo, a little mild provolone kind of thing. Touch more parm. And then you just pop it back in the oven long enough to brown and bubble. Ooh, these babies look cute. All cheesy and gooey and yummy. And now the secret ingredient, fresh thyme.